In this video, I reviewed the RYOBI Cordless Blower. No, not this large one, but the 18V ONE Cordless Compact Blower. Whether you need it to tidy up your lawn, driveway, or garage, this little powerhouse claims to make your cleanup jobs a breeze. And after using it for the past year, I got to see if it lived up to the hype. Alright, first let's talk about specs. The RYOBI 18V ONE Cordless Compact Blower boasts a maximum airspeed of 160 miles per hour and 93 CFM, so it should make it perfect for quick cleanups. It's lightweight, at just over 4 pounds with a 2 amp battery, and it features a compact design that makes it easy to handle and store. The nozzle is easy to remove, and it's made out of a soft, flexible rubbery plastic. Using the blower is straightforward. It has a simple trigger and a comfortable grip. It's ergonomic and easy to maneuver. The variable speed trigger gives you control over the airflow, so you can adjust it for delicate areas or full power for those larger jobs. Now the battery runs on the RYOBI's 18V ONE battery system and is sold separately. If you already have cordless RYOBI tools, then you can just use the same batteries interchangeably. I found that a small 2 amp hour battery is sufficient for most small to medium sized tasks. However, no tool's without its quirks. One issue I encountered is that the air intake is located on the side, and this tends to suck in loose clothing like shirts or shorts, which can be pretty annoying. But don't worry, there is a neat little DIY fix for that. I found and 3D printed a blower intake cover that mostly solves this problem. Let me show you how it works. This cover snaps right onto the intake vents, providing a barrier that keeps your clothing out while allowing sufficient airflow. It's a simple but a very effective solution. With the cover in place, you can use the blower without worrying about it snagging your clothes constantly. This makes the tool much more user-friendly and efficient. This cover doesn't completely eliminate the problem, but it definitely decreases the annoyance of it. Another minor issue that I noticed, and this is really nitpicking, but with the 2 amp battery, the blower doesn't stand on its own. If you take the nozzle off or use a large battery, then it will happily remain upright. So there you have it, the RYOBI 18V ONE Cordless Compact Blower. It is a very handy tool for quick cleanups around the house and yard. I found it to be very powerful and easy to use, and with a little DIY modification, you could also overcome one of its minor drawbacks. If you're already in the RYOBI ecosystem or looking for a compact blower, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews and home DIY tips. See you next time.